Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Friday, the 8th of February 2019. This is just my daily update video where I go over what I've done this morning on the daily Mod MACD and the daily high probability charts. This morning I'll also have a look at a couple of 4-hour setups that appeared in the last couple of candles that are still valid. Let's have a look. Not much happening today. First, we'll start with the Mod MACD, just a 1U trade, and that would be on the pound Aussie. Took a new buy this morning at 182.565. You can see my notes there. If you look here, the main indicator we use for this system is the fast MACD here, crossing the zero level. So that's the main indicator. We need that to confirm, which it was this morning. We didn't take this sell here a couple of days ago because there wasn't enough. Let me go back on that. I think I did take that sell, but I closed out at a profit. I closed half and it hit the 240 LMA, and there was a stop in place and had a small overall profit. So now we're taking a buy. Had to wait for the confirmation. And the other things we're looking for, green QMP filter dot, which there is here. Price closed above the 25 SMA, which it did well and truly. And the standard MACD in buy mode. It's not in buy mode, but they only need 2 of the other criteria. Once we have confirmation there, we only need 2 other criteria out of the 3. We have that, took the buy. It's not ideal entry. It is a pair that moves a lot. The spread was pretty high when I took it, and I was sort of waiting for it to tighten up a bit, and it sort of got away from me a little bit. Nothing drastic on this pair though. So that's the pound Aussie. That's the Mod MACD new buy trade this morning. Now I'll go to this other platform. It's an MT5 platform, and daily high probability charts. That's the profile here. New trade this morning, CAD Swiss. Let's have a look at it. It's a sell trade. You can read my notes. You can pause the video and read my notes. We've got regular bearish divergence. You can see the MACD Platinum's heading down, so we've got lower highs on that and higher highs on price. So it's just regular bearish divergence where we're looking for a trend reversal. The MAs are flat and tight, so they're going pretty well sideways and starting to tighten up. My biggest concern is that price is on the 240 LMA. You see that grey MA? That's a 240 LMA. And price is already sitting on it. It can sometimes act as a support or resistance level, but it's a valid signal. The MACD is well above the zero level. Looking to sell. There's your red QMP filter. I'm going to take it. Worth a shot. All right. The pound news, interest rate news came out yesterday. Let's just have a look at the pound. On the initial release, it shot down. This is the daily chart, so it's probably a little bit hard to see. Shot down, then shot up. So it doesn't look like much on the daily chart, but it was a bit all over the place. I'll just see if I can, there we go. Bring it down to a 1-hour chart so you can probably see it better. So it's just, I just dropped down a 1-hour chart on the pound. This is when the news was released, had that spike down, then up, then starting to meander back down again. So it wasn't ideal, but it's the way it is sometimes. That's the pound Aussie. All right, what else? Daily CAD, USD CAD. These are not trades I've taken, but these are charts that may interest you. Wasn't a CAD, Jim, you idiot. Righto, that's already a buy from yesterday. I wrote down one, and for the life of me, I can't find it. Euro CAD, sorry. So here's a daily chart on the Euro CAD. This morning, a buy signal. You've got divergence here, so you've got your regular bullish divergence, lower price, and lower lows on price and higher lows on the MACD Platinum. So there's obvious regular bullish divergence. which basically means looking for a trend reversal. MAs are super tight and super flat. Well, I guess you can hardly see the third one there. It's stuck in there, but there's 3 of them in there. As you can see how they meandered and just tightened right up. I didn't take the signal this morning because it's just getting close to the MAs. I don't particularly like it. This could be a good signal. MACD's below the 0 level, so it's a genuine buy signal, but I didn't take it. So that's it for the daily charts. Let's have a quick look at, there's a couple of 4-hour signals that may be of interest to you that are still actually valid. I didn't take them because I'm not trading the 4-hour charts at the moment. So this is the Euro New Zealand. This is a 4-hour chart. There's a possible sell here. You can see at the intersection here. The hardest thing, I'll just move this line out of the way. The hardest thing would have been your red QMP filtered dot, which is your confirmation for a possible sell, was actually a fairly, not a huge bullish candle by any means, but certainly a bullish candle. So here you are, just had a bullish candle, and you take the sell on the open of the next candle. It might be a little bit hard on the mind, that one, but it's definitely a sell signal there. Its price has sort of come up to the 240 LMA, sort of stalled a bit. With the MACD so high above the 0 level, I'd be only looking for sells to drive this back down. So that's the Euro New Zealand. I didn't take it, and it's still actually spot on, just about close to the entry price. The other one was the Euro USD, a valid buy signal here. This is the 4-hour chart still. We have divergence. You can see the green trend lines across the bottom there. The blue dot on the MACD platinum is all the way back here somewhere, and it's still meandered down. Now it's starting to roll up nicely. It's below the 0 level, so looking for buys. Yeah, that's right. Just checking something there. So looking for buys. So the entry level would have been the intersection of these two blue. It's gone against already, so you probably, if you're interested in this and you want to take this trade, that'd be a better entry. That's by no means trading advice, but you get a better entry. But that's a definite buy signal. The euro is a tough pair to trade. I tell you, it does my head in sometimes. But it's a popular pair. The majority of the planet trades it, so that's why I mention it. So that's the Euro USD 4-hour. Looking all right. All right, guys, I think that's about it. It's Friday, last trading day of the week, so we'll wind down a bit. Not much else to report. Other than that, if you do like these videos, please subscribe. If nothing else, just hit the like button, and I will chat later, and enjoy the weekend all. And thanks for being a part of the group and watching my videos. Cheers.